In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow'S team plan effectively in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to Webflow'S official website. If you're already familiar with this platform, you know it's an intuitive and powerful tool for designing, building, and launching responsive websites visually. Once you've reached the website, it's time to log in. Look for the Login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Webflow account. After logging in successfully, you should be automatically directed to the Webflow dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're new. It's your main hub for all activities in Webflow. Now, once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Select one by simply clicking on it. If you're managing multiple projects, make sure to choose the one you want to work on today. Once you've clicked on a project, you'll be taken to the Project Overview page. Here you will find various options, but our focus is on the Site Settings tab. Find it and click on it to proceed. By entering the site settings, you're accessing the very heart of your project's configuration. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu, where you should see a section labeled Plans. Click on Plans to explore the different options available for your project's hosting and features. Remember, Webflow offers various plans, each tailored to suit different needs, from individual freelancers to full-scale businesses. Now, go ahead and click on Site Plans. This step is pretty crucial because it allows you to review and modify the plan associated with your site. Here, it's key to note that site plans control how your site is hosted and the functionalities you can integrate. If you're part of a team, you'll want to make sure that you are under a plan that accommodates collaboration. Team plans, in particular, are designed for organizations, offering features like team billing and role-based permissions. In conclusion, using Webflow'S team plan allows for streamlined project management and collaborative design work, which is vital for team dynamics. By following these steps, you ensure your project is set up properly, maximizing its potential while leveraging Webflow'S powerful features. So go ahead and explore, experiment, and enjoy the collaborative capabilities of Webflow'S team plan. And that's how you set up and utilize Webflow'S team plan efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!